IoT, Internet of Things by Team 5. Do you know how the Internet of Things connects everything? The Internet of Things is a computing device that makes everyday life easier. In other words, it helps us communicate over a network through devices without the need of human interaction. It is used in everyday technologies, even in more complicated devices. First off, all appliances can be connected to the internet remotely. It shapes the way we live our lives now. Also, IoT hardware branches into two types of devices: general and sensing devices. Moreover, it ships data to communication gateways where data is accumulated and conveyed by the cloud. What is IoT? The Internet of Things are a system of corresponding devices connected to the internet that receive and transfer data to each other. They are technological advancements that are embedded within everyday objects. These technologies use sensors and processing abilities to connect and exchange data within or with other devices. Some examples of IoT are doorbells, fire alarms, ACs, self-driven cars, wearables, and so many more. Next, we have IoT hardware. IoT hardware has two devices: general devices and sensing devices. General is where data is stored and exchanged. Home appliances are a good example of general devices. They could be connected via wires or wireless. Then you have sensoring devices. Your sensoring devices are your actuators and sensors. These send measurements to your device to achieve an outcome. Some may not know what actuators are, so we included the definition. Actuators are a device that produce a motion by converting energy and signals going into the system. But this brings us to the question: what are IoT gateways?
What are ITO gateways? Better known as processing nodes, ITO gateways process the information collected and transfer the information to the cloud. This is where the information collected from both devices are stored and then processed. What was life like before the internet or ITO? The internet, formerly known as RPANG and ITO, were truly developed in the 1980s through the 1990s. However, the world was not as connected back then as it is now. It was more common for consumers to go to a local store and purchase products as opposed to items being shipped over to their houses. Customers also now have the benefit of exercising a more personalized shopping trip. Stores have changed since the evolution of ITO devices. Stores have moved to digitalizing their stock of products as well as increasing their potential customers by using Bluetooth beacons for a more personalized shopping experience. Since the investment of ITO was meant for convenience, it opens up a lot of space for both consumer and commercial growth. Why are Internet of Things important? Internet of the Things devices are not limited to one area. These devices can be used in health and science field, home and security, and even business and manufacturing needs. What makes ITO important to their effectiveness? These devices are made with the sole purpose of making life easier for their consumers. It introduced real-time perspective through how devices communicate with other devices and manage a plethora of tasks faster than could be done before. In the security industry, we have the biometric locks and the facial recognition and remote sensors. In real-time industry, we have the monitoring of stocks, smartphone purchases, anonymous analysis of customer choices. In businesses and manufacturing, we have real-time analysis of supply chains and equipment and robotic machinery. In medical and healthcare, we have portable health monitoring, maintenance of electronic records, pharmaceutical products, and security checks. Industrial ITO is used in reference to the use of smart sensors and actuators to enhance their manufacturing and industrial processes. For example, we have sensors, automation, monitoring tools: CAT, John Deere, Siemens, Airbus, ABB, Fanuc, and Tesla.
Consumer Internet of Things is in reference to an interconnected system of physical and digital objects personally used by a consumer. Examples could include wearables like smartwatches and Apple Watches, hearables like AirPods and Google Pixel Buds, smartphones and personal laptop gadgets, asset tracking, gaming and entertainment, health monitors, and many more. From motion detection doorbells to automatic shower heads, IoT devices integrated with IoT technology strive to create an ordinary household into a smart house. There are a few major groups when talking about smart homes. Smart thermostats provide homeowners with the ability to control their home's heating and cooling systems via the use of a mobile app. Smart appliances. These are appliances like washers and dryers, refrigerators, and iRobots that can be controlled by using a voice assistant like Alexa and Google Assist. Smart entertainment includes speakers, televisions, home lighting that can be controlled by voice assistants in the same way smart applications can be controlled. Smart security includes motion detection software in doorbells and CCTV, locks that can be controlled via phone, and doorbells that have cameras integrated within them.